All right, here we go. It's 2025 and happy New Year's to everybody and best wishes to you. And I'm going to get right into it with this video, man. 2025 here. A lot of times we start off the beginning of the year just talking. End of the year, we ain't got nothing done. So let's get into it. The first thing to help you have a good 2025, before you even get started, you need to sit down and reflect and reset on your past year that you just had. Review the past year and peep what went on well, what didn't, and what lessons you could use moving forward. And also you need to declutter your environment. Get you a clean space, organize some things, uh get everything in order. You know what I'm saying? A clean slate. You're starting the year with a clean slate. This is a new year. Get everything clean. Get the clutter away from you. Get the mess away from you. And start practicing gratitude, man. Acknowledge that you're good in life and you have already set this positive tone to get you moving forward in life on the direction that you want to go into. And so those are one of the first things I want to say for coming into 2025 would be reflect and reset. And number two, set intentional goals this year. Make your theme this year. Usually I keep a theme every year. 2022, I had a theme. 2023, I had a theme. 2024, 2025, have you a theme for each year. Choose a word or a phrase that just goes with what type of year you're trying to have, man. You know, if you want to have a prosperous year, a year of just straight growth, a year of balance, get you a theme for the year and ride it out. And the next thing you want to do is set SMART goals. Be specific. Make sure that you can achieve these goals. Make sure they're relevant to what you got going on. And then have a time set that you want to try to achieve this goal within. Break it down and start with small goals or small steps so it don't get overwhelming for you. And then just start building on it slowly for surely until that goal gets completed. Number three, start building better habits. One thing with me, I try to keep a morning routine. I get up in the morning. Before I do anything, I try to keep the phone quiet, or I'll start off with something positive. The night before, I'll try to go to sleep with something positive. I wake up and I'm back into that positive mode. So try to build you better habits. If you can, build your morning routine, exercise, journaling, meditation, anything positive. Just don't have no negativity in your morning routine, because if you start off on a negative energy or a negative vibe, that's pretty much what your day is going to end up being. And so also just be consistent this year. Don't try to be perfect. Just be consistent. And that's what happened to me this past year on YouTube. I feel like I didn't get you guys to 3 videos a week, 4 videos a week like I would have liked to. And it was because I was trying to be so perfect instead of just being consistent. So this year I'm going back to kind of backwards into my 2022 year when I first started YouTube, and I'm about to hit it like none other. So don't try to be perfect. Just stick to what you got going on and be consistent with it. And commit 15 minutes every day to just something daily, a daily exercise or a daily something that you wasn't doing before, and try to implement that in to creating a better habit for yourself. Number 4, I'll say prioritize your well-being, man. Your physical health, your mental health is going to mean everything moving forward. We're getting no younger every year. You're getting older. And the older you get, you're not going to be out here to be able to do this like you want to. Now, this right here is for a lot of the younger guys, man. If you're young, man, you got all the time in the world right now. Let your youth be one of the biggest assets that you have right now. You have a lot of time ahead of yourself. And for some of us older guys, we're getting older. We got to switch up the way we eat now, keep our bodies hydrated, and keep movement on a regular to make sure our physical health is in order. As far as mental health, you need to practice mindfulness, And you need to seek a support group or some people that, can keep you in that positive mind frame. And if not, go, man, get you some books. Don't watch a lot of stuff on the internet that ain't gonna do nothing for you. Don't be wasting time on the internet with stuff that's gonna do nothing to your life. You need to start prioritizing, get your health straight, get your well-being, your mental straight. Because when you're watching a lot of that negative stuff, it goes into your mental. It's almost like a diet of what you're eating. If you're eating bad food, you get a bad body. You listen to bad, negative stuff, you're going to have negative, bad things going on in your brain. So you want to try to get away from that. And then this year also, number 5, I say, be bold in the steps you're taking. If there's a big chance of a dream that you're trying to pursue, and you're going to hesitate, you're going to stop that motion that you could have toward that dream. Be bold in everything you do this year and be fearless. Starting a business, if any guys new, it's not going to be easy. Any guys who been in it, it's not easy to maintain it. It takes everything to have it. It takes a second to lose it. So be bold in everything you do this year. Don't be fearing nothing. You've already jumped out there. You took the biggest step ever, which is jumping out there. You've got that past you, and be fearless moving forward. And the last thing I want to say for this year, I say celebrate your small wins, man. Celebrate those small wins that seems like nothing. Those are the everything. Those small wins are what helps you build that confidence out here. It helps you build that self-security in yourself to where you can go out here, man, and you can crush it. Celebrate your small wins, man. Acknowledge each step forward, no matter how small it is. Always give positive reinforcement to whatever little win that you had. It means everything. So, 2025, man, get out here and crush it. Number 1, get out here and reflect, man, and reset before you get started. Set some intentional goals. Build you some better habits. Prioritize your well-being. Take bold steps in everything you do this year and celebrate those small wins. Get out here, man, and crush it 2025. Hey, best wishes to any and everybody watching this video, and get ready, man, because I'm coming full head of steam this year with the content again. Check in the next one.